Welcome to the time value of money, the core idea in all of finance. A dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow. This is because money today can be invested to earn interest. So to compare amounts across time, we move them using interest. In this lesson, you'll master future value, present value, rates, and annuities. Let's begin. Let's find the future value of a single deposit that grows at a fixed interest rate. We put $1,000 in the bank today. It earns 8% every year for 5 years. Each year, the balance is multiplied by 1 plus the rate. So we grow 1,000 by 1.08 5 times. That is 1,000 times 1.08 to the power of 5. The future value is $1,469.33. In general, future value equals present value times 1 plus r to the power n. Let's find the future value of a single amount when the interest rate changes every year. We start with $100 today. In year 1, the money earns 5%. In year 2, it earns 6%. In year 3, it earns 7%. To grow the money, we multiply it by 1 plus each year's rate. So the future value equals 100 times 1.05 times 1.06 times 1.07. That gives us $119.09. In general, the future value equals the present value times the product of 1 plus r for every year. Let's find the future value when interest is compounded monthly. We deposit $1,000 for 3 years. The annual rate is 12%, compounded monthly. First, we convert to a monthly rate. 12% divided by 12 is 1%. 3 years is 36 months. So n equals 36. The future value is 1,000 times 1.01 to the power of 36. That gives $1,430.77. Always use the periodic rate and the number of periods, not the annual ones. How much of your future value is actually interest? We started with $1,000. After 5 years at 8%, it grew to $1,469. The interest earned is simply the future value minus the principal. That is $1,469 minus $1,000. So the interest component is $469.33. In general, interest earned equals future value minus present value. How much must you invest today to reach a future goal? You want $2,000 in 4 years. Your account earns 6% per year. To find today's value, we discount the future amount. We divide 2,000 by 1.06 to the power of 4. So you need to invest $1,584.19 today. In general, present value equals future value, divided by 1 plus r to the power n. What interest rate turns one amount into another over time? An investment grows from $1,000 to $1,500. This happens over 5 years. We take the ratio of future value to present value. Then raise it to the power 1 over 5 and subtract 1. The implied annual rate is about 8.45%. In general, r equals future value over present value to the power 1 over n minus 1. How much must you save each year to hit a savings target? You want $10,000 in 5 years. Your savings earn 6% per year. Equal deposits at the end of each year form an annuity. The payment equals 10,000 times 0.06 over 1.06 to the 5th minus 1. So you must deposit $1,773.96 each year. This is the sinking fund formula for reaching a future goal. What is the future value of a stream of equal yearly deposits? You deposit $1,000 at the end of each year. You do this for 5 years, earning 6%. Each deposit grows until the end, then we add them all up. The future value equals 1,000 times 1.06 to the 5th minus 1 over 0.06. The future value of the annuity is $5,637.09. This is the future value of an ordinary annuity. Quick quiz, test yourself. What is the future value of $250, deposited for 8 years, at an annual rate of 5%? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $369. We compute 250 times 1.05 to the power 8. Quick quiz, test yourself. What is the future value of $500 over 60 months at a monthly rate of 1%? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is A, $908.34. We compute 500 times 1.01 to the power 60. Quick quiz, test yourself. How much must you deposit today to reach $200,000 in 14 years at 7%? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $77,563. We divide 200,000 by 1.07 to the power 14. Quick quiz, test yourself. You deposit $20,000 today and receive $62,766 in 6 years. So what is the quarterly interest rate? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C, 4.88%. There are 24 quarters, so we take the ratio to the power 1 over 24 minus 1. Quick quiz, test yourself. You deposit $500 today and $750 after 1 year at 8%, so what is the future value after 2 years? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is C, $1,393.20. The 500 grows for 2 years, and the 750 grows for 1 year. Quick quiz, test yourself. How much must you save at the end of each year to reach $100,000 in 20 years at 6%? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is D, $2,718. We use the sinking fund formula with R of 6% and 20 years. Quick quiz, test yourself. You deposit $20,000 at 5%, so how many years until your money doubles? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, 14.3 years. We solve using logarithms. N equals log 2 over log 1.05. Quick quiz, test yourself. You deposit $12,000 and after 3 years it grows to $14,830, with year 1 at 5% and year 2 at 7%, so what was the year 3 rate? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, 9.99%. We divide the ratio by 1.05 and 1.07, then subtract 1. Let's recap the time value of money. Future value grows a present amount forward in time. Present value discounts a future amount back to today. To find a hidden rate, take the ratio and the NTH root. And an annuity sums up a stream of equal payments. Master these 4 and the rest of finance follows.